Hey guys, today I have this super cute tic-tac-toe game. We keep it in our living room, on the end table, or the coffee table, wherever it winds up. I got it just for fun. It wasn't meant to be a game or anything like that. It just hangs out. It is, I think it's real wood. Seems to be. Anyways, we just dump it out. There are X's and O's on the top and bottom on the opposite side, so it's whatever. And then we just play it whenever we want to. It's a good conversation piece. It's just super cute decor. It is a good time taker-upper. I know that's not a word. And it is really fun to look at. I think it's fun and sturdy, and it won't break. It probably could, but it hasn't. And I love the look of it. So I think you would enjoy it too. And I thought the cost was right. So anyhow, that's that, guys. So enjoy.